Welcome to a new video. This short POV-style video shows what it often looks like when searching for a very rare small bird. I heard that a very rare species, the citrine wagtail, had been spotted nearby. I've never observed this bird before and haven't managed to photograph it, so I definitely set out to find it.
Is there blue tips?
I walked around the area, and since it's spring, there is a lot of life everywhere.
Yes, there is.
Blue tits are very beautiful. There was a time when they were super rare in Finland, but now their population is strong. Even though this area is near the city, you often see different animals. No sighting of the citrine wagtail, but it's very relaxing to observe nature and see different species.
Blackbird. Photographing small birds are fun because here is so many different birds, but they are so fast that they silence you and your camera. And they are beautiful too.
I crisscrossed the area but didn't find this great rarity this time. That's not unusual. Bird watching means you move a lot in nature. Still, no hour spent in nature is ever wasted.